This is OmniSearch. OmniSearch is a beautiful, modern, lightweight metasearch engine with a clean design written in C. While it's fairly new, it's written in something that's fairly old. And for those that don't know, a metasearch engine, or some people call it a search aggregator, I think, is basically like an online information retrieval tool that it uses the data from like something like Google or DuckDuckGo, and then it takes that and it literally just gives it to you while keeping you anonymous and giving you good results. Now, what I like about OmniSearch and why it's so good is one, it's written in C, which we all love C, and two, that they don't want you hosting this on any of like GitHub or SourceForge or any other proprietary platform where you can host code, which is very respectful towards the user. Uh, quite nice. Also, that's very clean, and one of its dependencies that it uses, Beaker, is super clean. I mean, if you look at the tree, I meant like look at that. That is clean. That is literally barely anything in there. Like you just look at this, and then you go to the SRC, and it's not much in there either. It's a super duper small but super good um you know micro framework, as it says. It's very good. Um, and it uses several dependencies, and it's like across Arch Linux, Debian, Fedora, OpenSUSE, Alpine, Void, Nix, even fucking macOS. Like, who genuinely uses macOS for this kind of stuff? I don't understand those people. Like, just use Linux, first of all. But if you do, I hate you, and I want you to die, and I think you don't deserve to live. But, alright, enough of me talking. Let's get to this. So, first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to install the dependencies here first. So I'm obviously using Arch Linux because I am superior to all of you. So I'm going to install these, even though I already have it installed. So I'm just going to reinstall it. If you're using any other distribution, like a normal person, or you're some kind of weirdo using Fedora or Alpine, then you can go ahead and follow these. If it's not on here, then fuck off. I don't give a shit. Um, So the next what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to install Beaker. Beaker is really easy to install. It's literally just, not that, it's this. It's you just git clone. Come on. Like, if you don't know how to git clone, what are you doing with your life? First you want to git clone it. It's going to clone it for you. Obviously it's very good. And then you can ls, and then you can go to Beaker. And then you see the make file here, you just do make install. And then it'll literally do it for you. If it says permission denied, you can just do make sudo make install, and it'll just do that for you. I already have it installed, so probably reinstall a copy, then we have to get rid of later. So whatever. And then if you go back, literally it's right here. So you just git clone it again because you're building it from source. What the fuck do you? It's just not a binary, or it is a binary. It's not on any repos, and then you just cd into there, ls, make files right there. You do make install, but it'll say this. So what do you do instead? You do systemd, because I'm using systemd like some mentally ill person, instead of OpenRC or run it, which I should be using, but it doesn't matter. If you are using any of these, then you can use them. Sudo or DOAS or whatever the hell you're using, I don't care. It'll do that for you, do all this stuff, and while you're waiting, it's whatever, it's cool. And then it'll show you where the config is. You can edit the config if Nano. You can edit with Nano or Vim if you're an actual human. And then you can run it with systemctl enable, or whatever the hell you are using for your not run it, your init system. You just do systemctl enable, and it's going to enable it right here, right there, done. And if you want to host it, it literally just says run it normally behind a reverse proxy, but you can just open your local host like a regular person, and boom, it's right here. Now, You can literally do whatever the fuck you want. You can use any of these. You can use Moji, Yahoo, Start Page, DuckDuckGo, like literally anything. Anything will work. You search right here. Like I can search Soy Jack Party. Like I can search up the Shardy and it's gonna be here. Watch. I don't know if it is or not, but yeah. See the Soy Jack Party. It's right here, all for you. It's good. I like it. It's fast. It's good. It's not complicated like Seer X and G, which is much more secure. But OmniSearch is still really good, and that's why I think you should use it.